just a good old boy, never meaning no harm. Beats all you never saw, been in trouble with the law since the day they was born. Straightening the curves, yeah, flattening the hills. Someday the mountain might get 'em, but the law never will. Making their way the only way they know how. Song of the South, sweet potato pie and I shut my mouth. Gone, gone with the wind, there ain't nobody looking back again. Cotton on the roadside, cotton in the ditch. We all picked the cotton, but we never got rich. Daddy was a veteran, a Southern Democrat. They ought to get a rich man to vote like that, singing song, song of the South, sweet potato pie and I shut my mouth. Gone, gone with the wind, there ain't nobody looking back again. Well, somebody told us Wall Street fell, but we were so poor that we couldn't tell. Cotton was short and the weeds were tall, but Mr. Roosevelt is gonna save us all. Well, Mama got sick and Daddy got down. The county got the farm and they moved to town. Papa got a job with a TVA. He bought a washing machine and then a Chevrolet. Sing it, song, song of the South, sweet potato pie and I shut my mouth. Gone, gone with the wind, there ain't nobody looking back again. Play it. Singing song, song of the South, sweet potato pie and I shut my mouth. South. Go on, go with the wind. Song, song of the South. Song, song of the South.
This is a song about best friends. John Roy was a boy I knew since he was 3 and I was 2. Grew up 2 little houses down from me. The only 2 bad apples on our family tree, kinda ripened and rotted in our puberty. 2 kindred spirits bound by destiny. Well, now I was smart, but I lacked ambition. Johnny was wild with no inhibition. Was about like mixing fire and gasoline. And he'd say, hey, Romeo, let's go down to Mexico. Chase senoritas, drink ourselves silly. Show the Mexican girls a couple real hillbillies. Got a pocket full of cash in that old Ford truck. Fuzzy cat hanging from the mirror for luck. Said, don't you know all those little brown-eyed girls won't play boys of the southwestern world? La 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 la. La 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 la. Long around our 18th year, we found 2 airplane tickets the hell out of here. Got scholarships to some small town school in Texas. We learned to drink sangrias till the dawn's early light, eat eggs, rancheros, and throw up all night, and tell those daddy's girls we were majoring in a rodeo. Oh, but my favorite memory at school that fall was the night John Roy came running down the hall, wearing nothing but cowboy boots and a big sombrero. And he was yelling, hey, Romeo, let's go down to Mexico. Chase senoritas, drink ourselves silly. Show them Mexican girls a couple real hillbillies. Got a pocket full of cash in that old Ford truck. Fuzzy cat hanging from the mirror for luck. Said, don't you know all those little brown-eyed girls won't play boys of the southwestern world? La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. And I said we had a little change in plans, like when Paul McCartney got busted in Japan. And I said we got waylaid when we set foot on Mexican soil. You see, the border guard with a Fu Manchu mustache kinda stumbled on John's pocket full of American cash. He said, do you